drastically affecting the planet Earth. Climate change is one of the serious problems we face today. But what is climate change? United Nations define climate change as a long-term shift in temperature and weather patterns. According to National Oceanic and Atmospheric Administration 2020 annual report, the combine of land and ocean has increased its average rate at 0.08 degrees Celsius per decade since 1880. Since 1800, human activities have been the main driver of climate change, primarily due to the burning of fossil fuels like coal, oil, and petroleum, which produces heat-trapping gases. And some of these human activities are industrial activity. Since the Industrial Revolutions, humans have been burning fossil fuels to produce energy for making things like cement, steel, electronics, and other industrial processes that releases carbon dioxide into the atmosphere. Agricultural activity. The agricultural practices that produces food for people is another human activity that causes climate change. The use of both commercial and organic fertilizer like animal waste releases nitrous oxide, a powerful greenhouse gas. Cutting down of trees to create farm and pastures or for wood and papers causes emissions. Since forests absorb carbon dioxide, destroying them also limits nature's ability to keep emissions out of the atmosphere. The impacts of climate change are global in scope and unprecedented in scale. We experience more frequent and intense natural disasters such as hurricane, flood, tornadoes, heat waves, and droughts. As an individual and as a community, how can we help to mitigate the hazard caused by climate change? Reuse as much as possible. It takes a lot of resources and energy from the environment to produce something new. So keeping things in use as long as you can is a very impactful way to help the environment. I have here 3 empty gallons of soy sauce and vinegar, and I reuse them by making them as a water container. Make your energy consumption more efficient. Turn off electronics or lights when you are not using it. Unplug your appliances when you are not using it to conserve energy. Plant trees. Planting trees helps to reduce the amount of carbon dioxide in the atmosphere. Through afforestation or planting trees, a greater proportion of carbon dioxide can be absorbed, reducing greenhouse gases in the atmosphere. We know the cause and effect of climate change, but you and I can be a solution to the problem of climate change by doing the things that would help preserve and save the planet Earth. This is Felipa Diniega. Thank you for watching, and God bless.